Dear students, we are handling the topic trigonometric ratios, objective level 4. Trigonometric ratios. Until yesterday, we have discussed level 3. We have completed level 3 19 bits. Let us discuss today level 4. Total 8 questions are there. Let us see first question. This is easy question. Sin theta plus cosecant theta is equal to 2. Then sin square theta plus cosecant square theta equal to dash. Already we are having the IP sum, that sin power n theta plus cosec power n theta is what. So whenever the total sum of two trigonometric functions, the two reciprocal functions is given as 2, then we know that sin 90 equal to 1 and cosecant 90 equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here also you can substitute sin square 90 plus cosec square 90. So 1 square plus 1 square equal to 2. Here it is third option. Next is asking which of the following is not correct. Which of the following is not correct? So better to verify options. According to options we can see sin theta is equal to 1 by 5. This is first option. Minus 1 by 5. Cos theta is equal to 1. This is second option. Third option is secant theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. And fourth option tan 2 theta is equal to 20. No, tan theta is equal to 20. According to domain concept, sin theta domain or region. Domain means minus 5 to 5. Sin theta range minus 1 comma 1 and cos theta range minus 1 comma 1. See the trigonometric table in IP textbook is also there, and material also. The table values are given. Minus infinity comma minus 1 closure interval union 1 comma infinity. Tan theta, of course, it is real number. Real number meaning it is nothing but minus infinity comma infinity. Minus 1 by 5 gives minus 0.2. The value is lying between minus 1 and 2. So it is right. He is asking not right. It is not correct. So wrong. This is also right. Secant theta value minus 0.5. Minus 1 bit, whatever the value is there between minus 1 and 1, the value we should not get in secant terms. We got here. So it is wrong. So option 3 is, this is wrong. This is not correct. Tan theta, of course, it is minus infinity comma infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity. So many numbers are there. 20 is also number among the real line. So no need. This is also right. Right means we need wrong. So this is third option is correct. He is asking which is not correct. What are the name, Hima? Please follow me. Tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, so on, tan 89 degrees. While going to discuss the chapter, first I said the formula. If A plus B plus, no, A plus B only. If A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, then implies tan A into tan B is equal to 1. If A plus B equal to 90, tan A into tan B equal to 1. So simple logic here, 1 and 89 are there. 1 plus 89 becomes 90. So the product is 1. 2 is there, no there. You will get before 89, 88 you will get. 88 and 2 90. So like that, for every product you will get 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 10. So answer is C 1. Here second option. Fourth question. If tan theta is equal to 3, theta lies in third quadrant, theta belongs to Q3, then value of sin theta. These are small sums. This is not in mains or advanced level, simple level. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 1, you write. Theta belongs to Q3. In third quadrant, tan theta is positive. R silver T comes concept. Here put 3 and put 1. This is root 10. Because the square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of other two sides concept according to right angle theory ABC. Now he is asking sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, we know that opposite side by hypotenuse 3 by root 10. Whenever he given theta belongs to Q3, the characteristic of sin in third quadrant is negative. Third quadrant according to all silver ticket. So minus 3 by root 10 is the correct option. Third option. Now fifth question. If A lies in second quadrant, A belongs to Q2. This is the characteristic of the angle. First of all, you write the characteristic. A belongs to Q2. 3 tan A plus 4 is equal to 0. 3 tan A plus 4 equal to 0. So write like this. Tan A is equal to minus 4 by 3. What he is asking? Find the value of 2 cot A. Find 2 cot A minus 5 cos A. 2 cot A minus 5 cos A plus sin A is equal to what? Whenever tan A is equal to minus 4 by 3, he given draw the right angle triangle. Right here, this is 4, this is 3, this is 5. Why? Because it is 5. Square of 5 is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. 4 square plus 3 square gives 25. 25 root 5. That is the right angle plane. We can say the right angle plane along with 5. Now 2 into cot A meaning reverse of tan. So 3 by 4 minus 5 into, students, A belongs to Q2. In second quadrant, cos characteristic is negative. Cos meaning here adjacent side by hypotenuse. Right here 5 into minus 3 by 5 plus sin A. According to second quadrant, according to all silver T-cups, sin is positive. So opposite by hypotenuse. Right here, this is 4 by 5. Now take LCM. This is 2 times 5 by get cancel 4 by 5. Minus 3 by 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 5. Minus 3 by 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 5. Overall LCM 10. Take LCM 10. And here 2, 5 times 2, 5 into 3 minus 15. This is 10 into 3, 30 plus this is 2 times. 2 times 2 4s are 8. 38 minus 15 how much? 38, 23. 38 minus 15. 23 by 10. 23 by 10 option is there. Yeah, it is second option. Otherwise, you do one thing, bring your mobile like this. You follow through, you have no mobile. Cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x given. For all real values of x, cos theta is equal to x plus 1 by x. Then what is the value according to options? You should verify. Already I said to you that the concept am greater than or equal to gm for any numbers. For 2 or 3 or 4, anything, any real numbers, x plus am greater than equal to b. X meaning one term 1 by x, another term. Two terms are there. So x plus 1 by x by 2 greater than equal to square root of x into 1 by x. AM meaning total components by number of components a plus b by 2, and gm meaning b equal to root a c concept. X plus 1 by x is x and x will be getting cancelled. X plus 1 by x greater than equal to 2. I think yesterday also we have discussed such concept. So cos theta value we are getting minimum value here 2. According to this question, this is not original. According to this question, cos theta greater than equal to 2. But we know that the range of cos x just before some also have discussed that minus 1 less than equal to cos theta less than equal. We should not get after 1, but here minimum value 2. So it is absolutely wrong. So what is wrong? It is not defined. According to option, you see, it is not defined, meaning there is no value possible for theta. Option 4. No value of theta is possible. No value of theta is possible. Students, given match the following: sin x by a. Sin x by a is equal to cos x by b is equal to tan x by c is equal to some constant k. List 1 be given, list 2 also be given. First one bc. Here second one a square plus b square. Third one 1 by ck plus ak by 1 plus bk. A, no need to write simply, I am writing to discuss. B square k power 4. B 1 by ak. C a by k. D 1 by k square. So matching. Letter. Already of course he given, no need to put letter. Then sin x by a is equal to k, cos x by b is equal to k, tan x by c is equal to k. You can understand here sin x is equal to ka or ak. In the similar way, you can understand cos x is equal to bk, tan x is equal to ck, tan x is equal to ck. According to the identities of the concept, what is the identity? Sin square theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. Use the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So here sin square x meaning k square a square. K square a square plus cos square x meaning k square b square equal to 1. So k square taken common and you write is 1 by a square plus b square with 1 by k square. You see students here a square plus b square is there, 1 by k square. So now you see the option 2. So for 2, D should be mapped. How many options are there? For 2, D should be mapped. Only one, enough. So enough the option. Verified first option. Directly. Verified first option. Shall I say other one also? Shall I say? BC. So what is next? Next is BC. What is meant to be B here? So cos x by k. BC. BC meaning cos x by BC also. B meaning cos x by k into this is sin x by k. Sin x by cos x BC. Sin x by cos x by k square. How many options are there for k square? We'll do one thing. What is sin? You do one thing, students. Sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x meaning to tan x. Sin x by cos x meaning Ka by Kb. K get cancelled. Tan x equal to A by B. Oh. Tan x equal to A by B. What is tan x? Ck. Ck equal to A by B. So BC is asking BC equal to A by K option is there. Yeah. Like that you can think 1 by Ck plus everything in the model. Now let us go for 8th one. 8th. Students, match the following and assertion reason not giving in mains. Of course in advanced. This is only MCET concept. 8th one. Match the following here also. So first one, he given 3 tan x plus 27 cot x greater than equal to. Students use the concept am greater than equal to bm. Here you can understand 3 tan x plus 27 cot x by 2. 3 tan x is one term and 27 cot x is another term. If two terms are there, you should write by 2 greater than equal to multiply like this. 3 tan x into 27 cot x. 3 tan x into 27 cot x. So 3 tan x plus 27 cot x greater than or equal to. We know the formula tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. 27 3s are how much? 81. 81 root 9. 9 into this 2. 2 taken cross 80. That is the answer. Because tan x into cot x 1 no. 3 7 81. 81 root 9. 9 into this 2 18. See the option now. 18 should be there. Greater than equal to. So for 1 B is there. For 1 B is there. Decided? Okay, third option. Option 3. Students, we have completed trigonometric ratios level 1. Level 1, of course, I used to give student homework to students. Level 1 classwork and level 1 homework student has to do. Next, level 2 classwork, I'll handle that. So, level 2 classwork, level 3, level 4, I'll handle. Level 2 homework also students should do. If you are having any doubt, call me. Otherwise, ask me directly. No problem, you can ask the doubts in level 2 homework. Each and every chapter, I'll give homework to students at level 1 classwork, level 1 homework, level 2 homework also. Remaining, I'll handle. Now we have successfully completed trigonometric ratios. Now we are going to handle the topic compound angles. Heading compound angles. Compound angles. Next chapter, compound angles. Just some synopsis. Synopsis. First one, of course, in IB, in detailed manner, I said A plus B plus C formula, A plus B formula, like that, everything. So, sin A plus B, cos A plus B, sin A minus B, cos A minus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B, cot A plus B, cot A minus B, like that, every formula I said. Now, depends upon those concepts. If first concept, this is apart from IB. Of course, in IB we have proved if A plus B is equal to 45, then this is the main formula, important formula. If A plus B is equal to 45, then 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Of course, A plus B is equal to 25 also, cot A minus 1 into cot B minus 1. A plus B equal to 1 or another one, A plus B is equal to 225 also. A plus B is equal to 45 or A plus B is equal to 225 and 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2. Next 1 minus cot A 1 minus cot A into 1 minus cot B also 2. Next to 1 plus cot A. 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B is equal to 2 cot A cot B. 2 cot A cot B. This is the first formula. Second formula, if A plus B is equal to 135. Almost we proved all formula. R 315. So 180 plus 135 becomes 315. 180 plus 45 becomes 620. Then we can take 1 minus tan A here. 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan. 1 minus tan A into 1 minus tan B equal to 2 and 1 plus cot A. Correct. 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B. 1 plus cot A into 1 plus cot B equal to 2. 1 minus tan A into plus opposite of that concept. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2 tan A tan. Third one, if A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Someone used to say pi. Pi means 180 degrees. Then tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. This is also can be notated as sigma tan A is equal to pi tan A. Pi meaning product, sigma meaning sum. Regarding cot he given on not that's very fit. Another fourth one. If A plus C is equal to B, then if A plus C is equal to B, then tan B minus tan A. Tan B minus tan A minus tan C. A plus C is equal to B. Tan B minus tan A minus tan C is equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. In our material, page number 21, worked example 3 is there. To do homework already, I sent the question in IP. Get it. Fifth one. If A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees, if A plus B plus C is equal to 90 degrees, then tan A by 2, tan A by 2 into tan B by 2, tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 into tan C by 2. Tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 into tan C by 2 plus tan C by 2 into tan A by 2 is equal to 1. This is most IMP formula. Next one. Sixth one. Sin of if sin theta plus sin of 120 plus theta plus sin of 120 minus theta equal to 0. Sin theta plus sin of 240 degrees plus theta minus sin of 240 minus theta equal to 0. In the similar way, cos theta, of course, Put theta equal to 0 and you can do by shortcut method. Otherwise, you can do using sin A plus B plus sin A minus B formula. Here sin A plus B minus sin A minus B formula, you will get 0. In the similar way for cos also, cos 120 plus theta plus cos of 120 minus theta equal to 0. Here 120 degrees. In the similar way, cos 120 plus cos 240 cos theta plus cos 240 plus theta cos 240 plus theta plus cos 240 minus theta equal to 0. Yes, here you write this one also. Cot A cot not by 2. Cot A. Cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A is equal to 1. Students, how many members remembered 15 degrees values or 22.5 degrees? It is necessary to remember now in object. Do you have any idea? Sin 15. Can you say what is the value of sin 15? Root 2. That is sin 18. Do you have idea? You forgot everything. Sin 15 degrees, right? You can, by proving you say, not by proving. Now you have to remember also sin 15, cos 15, tan 15, sec 15, cos 15, cot 15. Right now, values of 15. First one, sin 15. Each and every proof I said while teaching IPE. Sin 15 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Of course, sin 15 is nothing but cos 75. Write like this. Next, cos 15. Cos 15 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 is nothing but sin 75 because sin 90 minus beta is equal to cos. Next, tan 15. Each and every one you should remember as formula. Tan 15 is equal to 2 minus root 3. It is nothing but cot 75. Tan 15 value is nothing but cot 75 and reciprocal values cosecant 15. So 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. 2 root 2 by root 3 plus 1. So by rationalization you can get root 6 minus root 2. It is nothing but secant 75. Next, secant 15 degrees. Secant 15 value its reciprocal root 6 plus root 2. It is nothing but cosecant 15 degrees. Next, cot 15. Cot 15 is equal to 2 plus root 3. It is tan 75. Each and every proof we have discussed in IPE. Now, in the similar way, 22.5. Values of 22.5 degrees. These are known as half angles. Submultiple angle concept. First one, sin 22.5. Sin 22.5 is the root of root 2 minus 1 by 2. Cos 22.5. root of root 2 plus 1 by 2. This 22 and half can also written as this is cos 67 and half. This is sin 67 and half. Now tan 22 and half. This is most IMP. Tan 22 and half is equal to root 2 minus 1. Of course, it is cot 67 and half. Cot 67 and half. Cosecant 22 and half is reciprocal of sin 2 root 2 by root 2 minus 1 over root, that is secant 67 and half. Next to secant 67 and half. Secant 22 and half. It is nothing but reciprocal of cos root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is cosecant 67 and half. Cosecant 67 and half. At last, cot 22 and half. 6th one, cot 22 and half, it is equal to root 2 plus 1. The value is tan 67 and half. Yes, root 2. Reciprocal of cos. 2 root 2 by root 2 plus 1. Given in next chapter. Next chapter given all values. Sin 18, cos 18. Okay, let us discuss sin 18, cos 18, the values and sequences concept in next chapter. Now let us discuss the level 2 cos. Open page number 23 in our material. Is this volume 1? In volume 2. Open page number 23 and write the questions. Module 2, class 1. Have you done, Nima? Level 1 completed? Level 1 completed for you? Now, level 2, class 1. Each and every question, like IPE concept only, if sin A is equal to 12 by 30, sin A is equal to 12 by 30, cos B is equal to minus 3 by 5, 0 less than A less than 5 by 2, comma, y less than B less than 3 by 2. Then sin of A plus B. You need to calculate sin of A plus B. Plenty of text to discuss. Students, same question are not in your material and my material. Same question. Here you should get an idea regarding the Arp-Selberg-Jacobs concept. Where the sin is positive, where the cos is positive, like that each and every trigonometric function you should have an idea. Now 0 less than A less than pi by 2, that meaning A belongs to Q1. Here pi less than B less than 3 pi by 2, that meaning B belongs to Q3, because 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta is third quadrant. This is first quadrant. Now sin A is equal to 12 by 13 given. Like this unit, this is hypotenuse, 12 by 13. Here you can understand this is 5. Confused? Understood? Now, next. So, for A, this is A angle BC. Sin A is equal to, here 12 by 30 is given. Cos A I am writing. Cos A is equal to, A belongs to Q1. In first quadrant, everything is positive. So, 5 by 30 you can write. Now, in cos, for cos B, we can write cos meaning adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is 3, this is 5, this is 4. B belongs to here third quadrant. In third quadrant, the characteristic of sin is negative, so sin B is equal to minus 4 by 5. Sir, why you are writing sin and cos only, sir? Because we need to calculate the sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B form, if you are having any doubt, see in our material. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is there. Sin of A plus B you should calculate. The formula of sin of A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Apply the values. Sin A meaning 12. Here 12 by 13 into cos B meaning minus 3 by 5 plus cos A here 5. 5 by 13 into sin B minus 4 by 5. So 12 into minus 3 minus 36 minus 20 minus 66 by 65. Minus 56 by 65 comes. Third option. Again, she should take a snap. Give. Second one. How you are getting the snaps? You are getting getting from this. Second one. If B comma A plus B are acute, B comma A plus B are acute angles, meaning in first quadrant below 90 degrees. Sin of A plus B is equal to 12 by 30. Sin of A plus B is equal to 12 by 30 given, and sin B is equal to 5 by 30. Sin B is equal to 5 by 30. Find sin A. Find sin A. A plus B and B both are in first quadrant itself, so no need to worry about minus. Everything is plus. Now you can write here. This one like this, A, capital A can be written as A plus B minus B, like this. Take a bracket. Now apply sin both sides. Apply sin both sides. That implies sin A is equal to sin of A plus B minus B. That is equal to, apply the formula sin A minus B concept, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So write here sin of A plus B into cos B minus cos of A plus B into sin B. That is equal to sin of A plus B given 12 by 30 into cos B. You can understand, students, regarding this triangle concept, cos B you can write 12 by 13. Otherwise, root of 1 minus sin square B, root of 1 minus 25 by 169, 144 by 169 is 12 by 13. In the similar way, here you can understand cos of A plus B is equal to 5 by 13. Apply the formula. 12 by 13 into cos B we got 12 by 13 here minus the cos of a plus b 5 by 13 into sin b, of course it is 5 by 13. Now 12 does a 144 minus 25 we got 144 minus 25 by 169. I think this is 119 by 169. So the value of sin A is 119 by 169. Here it is second option. Let us see third question. degrees less than A, capital A, less than 360 degrees, comma 90 degrees less than B, less than 180 degrees. Cos A is equal to 5 by 13. Cos A is equal to 5 by 13. Tan B is equal to minus 15 by 8. Tan B is equal to minus 15 by 8. Find the sin of A plus B. Find the sin of A plus B. Cos A is equal to 5 by 13. To take the value and take a right angle triangle. Cos meaning, students, given the 270 less than A less than 360, so it is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant characteristic cos is positive. So 5 by 13 you write here, this is 12. What is asking? Sin A plus B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin A is needed. It is necessary. Sin A you can write minus 12 by 13. So how could you say? Sin is negative in fourth quadrant. Now tan B. Tan B he given as minus 15 by 8. Draw a right angle triangle. So tan means opposite by adjacent. This is 15, this is 8, this is 17. Now you can write here that 90 less than B less than 180. So in 90 less than B less than 180, second quadrant, tan is negative, of course given negative. You should calculate sin and cos for the formula sin of A plus B. Now sin B you write, you calculate as minus 15 by 17, and cos B you write, you calculate as minus 8 by 17. Now to find out sin of A plus B. Sin of A plus B formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is the sin A here? Minus 12 by 13. Minus 12 by 13 into what is cos B? Minus 8 by 17. Cos A 5 by 30 into sin B minus 15 by 7. Calculate the values. 12 into 8, 96 minus 6 into 75 by 75. By 50 or 75 by 13 into 17, how much? 221. 13 into 75. 96 minus 75 gives 21. 21 by 2. Option is there. Option is not there. Somewhere wrong. 221. How many options are there? There are two options. Maybe first or second. Maybe first or second. Third question. Second option is 171. I 90 less than B less than 180. Students, sign is 4. Students, just wait. Here I did mistake. 90 less than B less than 180. In second quadrant, sign is positive. You should not write negative. So this is now this is plus. Add up. What is this? 171 by 2. 171 by 2. No need to, tomorrow we can see. No, this is the last time. Because already time 45 minutes. Fourth question we read something. If A, B are acute angles. A, B are acute angles. Tan A is equal to 5 by 12. Tan A is equal to 5 by 12. Cos B is equal to 3 by 5. Cos B is equal to 3 by 5. Then cos of A plus B equal to dash. There is no question of negative, no need to worry, because he given acute angles. Both A and B are acute angles. He is asking cos of A plus B. Tan A meaning here 5 by 12, this is 13. You write here cos A and sin A also. Cos A meaning 12 by 13 and sin A meaning 5 by 13. Next, cos we draw the diagram. Cos meaning adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is 4. Here you should write the sin A. Sin A meaning 4 by 5. Find. You should calculate the value of cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Apply here. What is the value of cos A? 12 by 30 into cos B. This is B. This is B. Cos B is given 3 by 5 minus sin A value 5 by 30 into sin B value 4 by 5. 12 3 are 36 minus 20, so it is 16 by 65. Now fourth question. Cos A is equal to 5 by 30 Fourth question completed. Fifth question. Cos A is equal to 5 by 30, comma, tan B is equal to minus 16 by 8. 270 less than A less than 360, comma, 90 less than B less than 180. Students, I think same sum we have done this. Students, to say cos A equal to 5 by 30, tan B equal to minus 15 by 8 to sin of A plus we have calculated. Example. So same as 3 we can. Same as 3. There we got how much? Sin of A plus B plus. He is asking here A plus B belongs to which quadrant? A plus B belongs to which quadrant? Sin of A plus B, how much we got in third question? You say the answer 171 by 171 by 220 is greater than 0. So sin is positive here. Directly written because already we have done the sum. Sin is positive. So regarding cos, you can use cos of A plus B. We can see now the formula of cos of A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Students, can you say the value we got in the question? What is the value of third question value? Cos A how much? 5 by 30. And cos B how much? You have calculated it. Minus 8 by 70. Minus sin A how much? 12 by 30. Sin B how much? Students, sin A should be minus because 270 less than plus 12 how much? Sin A okay. Minus 4 by 30. Minus 4 by 30 is not 12. Cos A is 5 by 30. Cos is positive. Student, sin is negative. Minus 12 by 30. Next, sin B how much? 15 by 7. Plus or minus sir? Okay, plus. Now count it. 5 into minus 8. Minus 40 plus 12 into 15. 180 by 13 into 70 to 21. This is also greater than 0. 145 to 21 greater than 0. So cos of a plus b also positive. It is first quadrant. Option 4. Yeah. Because sin is positive and cos is positive. Both are positive. Therefore, a plus b belongs to Q1. Sin of a plus b, comma cos of a plus b. Both are positive. Therefore, a plus b belongs to Q1. Whenever sin and cos both are positive, you can decide that is in first quadrant. Okay, students, you have successfully completed synopsis and level 2 5 questions. Level 2 6th question is most IMP. Let us discuss the concept and questions in tomorrow class.